Samsung is about to change the game with its upcoming release, the Galaxy S25 Slim. If the rumors are accurate, this phone could be one of their slimmest devices yet, measuring in at just 6.4 millimeters thick. To put that in perspective, it's 1.2 millimeters slimmer than the Galaxy S24 and nearly 2 millimeters less hefty than the S25 Ultra, which stands at 8.2 millimeters. Quite remarkable, isn't it? Leaked pictures from OnLeaks reveal a stunning design. Imagine this: flat edges, a chic, minimalist shape, and a triple camera setup at the back. While it shares some features with the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus, its impressively slender profile really sets it apart. But don't let its lightweight look mislead you. This phone is loaded with power. It's expected to boast a vibrant 6.6-inch AMOLED screen with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. When it comes to camera specs, the Galaxy S25 Slim is likely to feature a 200-megapixel main camera, alongside a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 50-megapixel telephoto lens, offering 3.5x optical zoom. Reports indicate that the telephoto lens will incorporate Samsung's advanced ALOP design, ensuring that the device remains slim while enhancing zoom performance. Now, battery life is often a concern for users with ultra-slim gadgets. Samsung may address this with a new silicon carbon battery that's believed to have a capacity between 4,700 mAh and 5,000 mAh. This upgrade could mean solid battery life without the added bulk. Plus, with a Snapdragon 8 Elite chip and 12 GB of RAM, this phone is built to handle everything from multitasking to running graphically demanding games. In terms of pricing, the Galaxy S25 Slim is expected to be situated between the S25 Plus and S25 Ultra, providing a high-end experience without the steep price tag. We can look forward to all the official details at the Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22nd, 2025, with the launch anticipated in May 2025. What do you think? Could the S25 Slim be the perfect blend of style and performance? We'd love to hear your thoughts.